Hi, I'm Vicki Halsey, one of the co-authors of the SL2 Experience, and I've been working with global organizations for more than 20 years teaching leaders SL2. I help good leaders turn into great leaders who give their people what they need when they need it. That means having authentic conversations with their people, caring about their growth, being their champion and seeing their promise. We do that by teaching them to lead situationally with SL2, a powerfully simple framework. SL2 enables leaders to identify the development level of an employee for a specific task and how to provide the appropriate leadership style to help them succeed through a common language of leadership. For example, maybe someone's new to a task and needs more direction, or they're competent at doing it but needs a little bit of support to build their confidence so they can do the task on their own. SL2 leaders can flex their leadership style and set up their people for success and continued growth. With inspired SL2 leaders in the workforce, engagement will improve and team members will feel supported. Employees will become creative problem solvers and company productivity and morale will increase. Power inspired leaders with SL2.